Good morning, class 3. Today in social studies we are going to do chapter 9, the earth. Children, the earth is the third planet from the sun, and now see the picture of the earth which was taken from the space, and it shows that the earth looks like a beautiful blue ball. The earth looks blue because most of it, that is 70% of the earth, is covered by water. Okay, the earth is a special planet, I told you earlier also in previous chapter, because it is home to living beings. And why is it possible? Because of two reasons. Number one is the earth has air and water, and number two is it is neither too hot nor too cold. Let me tell you about the shape of the earth. The earth is not exactly round. It is quite like an orange, a bit flat at the top and bottom, and bulging out a bit in the middle. There is an imaginary line around the earth that divides the earth into two equal halves, and it is called the equator. When you move towards the north from the equator, the most northern point of the earth is called the North Pole. And from the equator, the most southern point of the earth is called the South Pole. About 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water, and the rest is land. Plants and animals are found both on land and in water. The earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called the atmosphere. Movement of the earth. The earth has two kinds of movements, rotation and revolution. Let's talk about the rotation. The earth is always moving. It spins like a top about an imaginary line called its axis. The earth's axis passes through the poles. It is slightly tilted to one side. The spinning of the earth about its axis is called rotation. And the earth takes 24 hours or 1 day to complete one rotation. We have night and day because the earth rotates. At any given time, one half of the earth faces the earth and the other half faces away. Only the part that faces the sun gets light and has day. The other part is in darkness and has night. Since the earth keeps spinning, all parts of it have day and night by turn. The earth also moves around the sun along a fixed path called its orbit. This movement is called revolution. The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. So that is why after every 4 years we have a leap year. The revolution of the earth and its tilted axis, they change the amount of light and heat a place gets at different times in a year, and this causes seasons: spring, summer, autumn and winter. So children, the movement of the earth, rotation causes day and night, and revolution causes different seasons. Okay children, now please go through this lesson, read it carefully. Thank you.